Hi friends, it's me, Cookie, and today I wanted to make something with you that's going to be really delicious, but you don't have to bake it. You don't have to use the stove or anything for it. So let's go. This is what we're going to make, and we do not need a stove or oven. Let's begin. Starting to look just right to be the pie crust. It smells so good. Here's our pie pan, and we're going to add the crust. It kind of looks like sand at first. Well, let's get to pushing it together and making it crust. Now that that is all done, let's work on the filling. We've cleaned out the mixer, and now we've added the pie filling, and now we're going to add the milk. All right, and we're going to lift it, and now mix it on low, it says, for 30 seconds. Now that it's getting all thick, we can stop and put it into the pie crust. Now we're going to spoon it into the pie crust. After you're done filling it all, this is how it should look. Now it's ready to go into the refrigerator. Now that it's been refrigerated, all that's left is to cut this bad boy open. There's a piece missing. Just kidding, I took it and I'm ready to taste it. I can't wait to taste this. This really is delicious. Well, friends, I hope you had a great time today making this pie with me. It really does taste great. And I always have a great time with you. Remember, it's me, your friend Cookie. That's Kookie. And that would be me. And don't forget to like and subscribe if you like videos like this.